Hi friends, welcome to Rasul Sansa channel. Have a nice day. The Embassy of India Kuwait will organize a visual open house with Ambassador TCB George on Wednesday 28 July 2021 at 3:30 p.m. The central themes of the forthcoming open house on 28 July 2021 are returns of stranded Indian to Kuwait, assistance from India Community Welfare Fund, and registration of death cases. Ambassador will also respond to query on this issue. Embassy for informed the open house will be open to all Indian nationals in Kuwait. Those who have specific queries may send their queries with full name as in passport number, civil ID number, and contact number and address in Kuwait by the email to community.kuwait@mea.gov.in. The link for the virtual open house and login details I given by my description box. The event, except the interactive section, will also be live streamed on Embassy's Facebook handle https://m.facebook.com/Indian Embassy Kuwait/. In the first, Indian's Educational Ministry has set up an exam center in Kuwait for Middle East students who wish the appear for the National Eligibility Entrance Test. Interestingly, Kuwait is the only center outside India for NEET exam. On Tuesday, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan had announced that the medical entrance exam will be held on September 12th. Earlier, it was scheduled for August 1. The application process began on Tuesday, July 30th through the NTA website. NEET 2021 will be for the first time conducted in 13 languages with new addition of Punjabi and Malayalam. The languages now being offered are Hindi, Punjabi, Assami, Bengali, Odia, Gujarati, Marathi, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Tamil, Urdu and English. To ensure social distance norms, the number of citizens where examination is conducted will be increased from 155 to 198. The number of examination centers will also be increased from 3,862 used in the 2020. The last year, the National Eligibility Entrance Test was conducted on September 13 amid strict precaution in view of COVID-19 pandemic. A total of 13.66 lakhs candidates has appeared in the exam, of whom 7,71,500 qualified. Many students in Kuwait were concerned about the NEET exams as the COVID pandemic affected the travel ban to India for writing competitive exams. Setting up the center in Kuwait will be a good news for many aspirant students. Earlier, Kuwait was the center for JEE examination for the first time this year. Indian Ambassador TCB George examination for the first time this year. Indian Ambassador TCB George had promised that he will be in regular touch with the Indian authorities so that the Indian students in Kuwait will not lose an year due to the travel restrictions. The Ministry of Electricity, Water and Renewable Energy announced the opening of the new office to serve its customers at Kuwait International Airport. MEW Assistant Under Secretary for Customer Service Sector Ahmed Al Rasidi said that the moves in the interest of the customers and to provide them with better service. The new office at the passenger terminal T4 will provide many services including paying bills and allow customers to finish their transaction easily and smoothly. Thank you.